Good morning, class. Okay, Miss Thifi here. So we're going to continue from our last week topic, which is Module 1, Where Are You From? But first of all, I would like to say thank you for my 1000 subscribers. I hope that I've helped you so much on your English. So, in my class, you will need a Get Smart Plus for Students book, your exercise book, stationeries, and lastly, your eyes and ears. So, just like last time, I want you to pay close attention to this video, okay? So, in today's lesson, you will be able to number 1, read and answer at least 5 questions correctly, and you will be able to fill in the blanks with adverbs of frequency correctly. What is adverbs of frequency? Well, we will learn that today. So, activity 1. What do you want to be? Now, I want you to open your textbook, page 8. You are going to read 2 stories from 2 different people. Number 1, we're going to read about a day in the life of a figure skater. Now, what is a figure skater? Okay, a figure skater is someone who skates on ice. So we call them figure skater, just like this one. You see? You skate on the ice. Okay? Now, we are going to read about Megan. Okay, Megan is a figure skater. Okay. Now, I want you to listen and read along. Okay? Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night. Okay, class? Did you manage to read them? It's okay. You can pause and try again. Next, I want to show you what is an ice skating rink. So, for figure skater, when they skate on ice, they skate on ice skating rink, just like that one. Okay? So we call them ice skating rink. Can you say ice skating rink? Very good. Then we are going to read about Pablo. Okay, a day in the life of a chess player. So what is a chess player? Is someone who loves to play chess. So we call him or her a chess player. So we are going to read about Pablo, who is a chess player. Okay, let's read together. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and plays chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock. So, this is how Pablo do as a chess player. Okay? Did you manage to read along with me? It's okay. You can pause the video or rewind to listen and read again. Okay? Now class, did you notice these words: always, sometimes, usually, never. Do you know what these are? Did you notice where these words are in the stories? Well, if you didn't, don't worry, we will find them together. Now, first, what are these words called? We call them adverbs of frequency. What's that? Well, we are going to learn that, but first, let's find where are these words in the two stories we've read just now. So, in the story from the figure skater, which is Megan, did you see where are the adverbs of frequency are? Yes, it's the red words that I've shown you right now. Can you read what are those words? Yes, that's right. Usually, sometimes, always. Very good. How about this one? Yes, the same red words. Can you read them? Yes, we have always, usually, sometimes, usually. So, these we call them adverbs of frequency. You still don't know how to use them? Well, now we are going to get to know them. Alright? So follow along and listen closely. Number 1. Always. Always means when you do the same activity every day or every time you want to do them. So if you do it a lot of time, okay, which is 100%, we say always. So for example, I always skate before dinner, meaning you skate every day before dinner. So like Monday or Tuesday until Saturday and Sunday. So you use always. Okay, class? Always. Next, we have usually. Usually. Usually means you do it at least 5 days a week or 80% of the time. Okay, so for example, you usually play basketball after school, meaning you play basketball but you don't play on Saturday and Sunday or other 2 days. So you cannot use always, so you say usually. Okay, class? Usually. Very good. Sometimes. Sometimes. Now, sometimes mean when you spend 4 to 5 days or 3 days a week, meaning you spend half of the week to play something that you like or do something that you like. So for example, he sometimes plays chess. So meaning he plays chess on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or other days, but not more than 3 days a week. Understand? Very good. And lastly, we have never. Never. Never means you don't do it at all. Okay? You don't do it every day. So you say never. So for example, they never play volleyball, meaning they don't play volleyball. Okay? So you say never. Well done. Now that you understand what are the adverbs of frequency, now we are going to do some homework. Let's see what is the homework for today. Alright, for homework number 1, you are going to read the story again about Megan and Pablo and answer these questions. So, you have to answer yes or no. Then, you are going to read and then tick on which activities you do always, usually, sometimes, and never. Okay, class? So you read the activities I gave there and you tick which one you do always, usually, sometimes, and never. Later, you send your homework in Google Classroom. You can find the worksheets in the Google Classroom as well. Okay, class, thank you for coming to my class. Okay, you can like and subscribe to Teacher's channel. See you again next week.